Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. So go for your TikTok account which you want to delete. After that go for your profile icon here. Now go for this three line option. Go for settings and privacy and click on account. You can see here deactivate or delete account option here. So click on it. Okay. Now click on delete account permanently. Now you have to select a reason why you want to delete this account. So I have just click on it. I have multiple accounts. Continue. Okay. Now click on this. If you are delete your account, you will lose the service above permanently. Continue. Again select this and continue. Again go for continue. And just you have to enter your password. After that, when you are done, go for just delete account and your account will be deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.